great thing about the Tomahawk Customer Center is the fact that it allows us to bring in customers from all over the world. For the past 2 days, Lawrence Equipment has brought in their good customers. They come here to look at an excavator. They come here to look at a bulldozer or a motor grader. And we have all of that available to them.
We've pretty well been on everything just to see what they have. We've spent a lot of time on the backhoe and the excavators. It's a good way to see stuff that you probably wouldn't have a chance to run any other way.
You have unlimited access. Whatever, go get it. It's awesome. You got all three right there. If you're stuck in between the two, you bounce back and forth all day and figure out something one way or another.
You can look at anything, but until you actually feel what it does when you want it to, you can't really quantify an experience like this. Pretty or not, this is what actually shows you what works.
We just had a really great time. Me and my dad came up here together, and we've taken multiple trips to manufacturing plants, and usually they take you to the factory tour and you stay in a hotel and you stay in a town, and this is completely different.
I think there's a lot of happy customers here. It's always a great experience. We accommodate our customers so well. The food's great, the hospitality, the machines. I mean, everything's first class here in Tomahawk.